improvisation is an amazing thing. It's when you play a bunch of random notes and you make it sound good with a piece of music that you're playing. And it's where you feel the music as musicians, you come together, and I don't know, you just have fun with it. Isn't that right?
Yeah, that is true.
You just go all out and put your feelings into the notes.
While I'm improvising, I'm thinking about the minor pentatonic scale, which is basically what the melody is based around in the song Isn't She Lovely? You can go outside of where the melody is and what you're playing, but what the melody does is it helps you come back, and it helps you go back to the song and stay back with the group.
So in my improvisation, I will be using rhythmic alterations, which basically means I'm changing the beat up a little bit, add a few extra hits on the cymbals, and switch up the flow.